Daddy's waking up the babies.
You ready? You ready?
Today is Christmas.
You ready?
Bobbies.
Merry Christmas!
Happy girl. It's Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Bobby. Good morning. You can carry both of them so I can get their faces. Say good morning.
Open presents.
Just a minute, William. They don't even know that's out there. Let me get ahead of you.
There's presents outside, Sissy. No presents for you. Daddy, you already have them.
There's our presents, guys. Where's my babies?
And then here's one right here.
Let me see which one is Bubby's.
What's that?
Mine.
What is all that? William!
Whoa.
Don't.
Merry Christmas!
Don't.
Merry Christmas! Yeah, look at all that stuff.
What is it, sister?
See what's in it.
Yeah, check it out.
We need to do diapers first. Look at us too.
Hey, you want to get something for us? We'll give you some diapers, buddy.
Then I can open my present.
Yeah, diapers and wipes. All right.
Yay! Merry Christmas, sister! Yeah, that's for you.
Come here, William.
What?
Come here, I got you this beekeeper hat. Put it on your head.
No.
Put it on your head, come here.
No.
Come here.
Okay, we're gonna pause so I can do diapers.
Put it on my head.